Hi everybody, Adam from Apple Chevy in Tinley Park here. I've been getting a lot of questions lately on how to use the garage door opener on the 26 RS Model Traverse and the High Country. I'm going to take you inside and show you how that works.
Okay, here inside the vehicle, this is your home screen. What you're going to want to do is you're going to press this button up here. This is going to show you more controls. And then it's going to have you press this button here, see more controls. Now there's your universal remote. Click the universal remote. Add remote. It's going to give you a few different options here, whichever is going to work out best for you. You could have the transmitter, and you're going to hold it up here and press the button to transmit it, or you're going to do D mode or UR mode. So for demonstration purposes, we're just going to do the D mode here today. Use D mode. And now we're going to test it out like we're in front of the garage door opener. It's going to ask you if it worked or if it did not work. If it did not work, it's going to have you try again. For purposes here, it worked. Now you could rename your remote. Name it home. Nope. Go back. And now you have a garage door opener right there. That's going to pull up for you every single time you pull in front of your garage door. It will go away when you're not at home and that pop up, and you can move that around the screen too. So that little one there, that's your garage door opener. It's no longer up here. For more helpful tips, reach out to me here at Apple Chevrolet. Adam at Apple Chevrolet, Tinley Park, Illinois. See you soon.